Hi guys, we're going to start back on our math book today. We're on lesson 7.9 and the title of our lesson is Time to 5 minutes. The question we should be able to answer is, how do you tell and show time to 5 minutes? And what that means is we're going to go around the clock, and when the shorthand is pointing at one of the numbers, we count by fives to tell what those numbers mean. Let's go to the next page and look at the model and draw. So up here in the purple where it says model and draw, it says, what does it mean when the minute hand points to the 7? Count by fives until you reach the 7. Remember, the minute hand moves from one number to the next in 5 minutes. So each number stands for a set of 5 in minutes. There are 60 minutes in an hour. So let's start at the 12, and that 12 stands for o'clock. So I say 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, and I would be at 60 because there's 60 minutes in an hour. So the hour hand points between the 10 and 11. So we see that right there, the shorthand, which says the hour. So I would say 10 because it's not at the 11 yet. And then the 7 points with the minutes. So that would be 35 when I count by fives. So the time is 10:35. So we need to complete this portion of the paper, looking at the clock hands and writing the time. So with number 1, we always read the shorthand first. So the shorthand is the hour hand, and it's pointing between the 3 and the 4. So it's not at the 4 yet, so I would say 3. And then my minute hand, the long hand, hold on just a second, is on the 5. So I have to count by fives for the minutes. So at the 12, I say 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So the time would be 3:25. And remember, you put the semicolon, the 2 dots, to separate the hours from the minutes. The second one, I would look here, and the hour hand, the shorthand, is pointing just about right at the 9. It's a little bit past. So I would say 9. And then the minute hand is pointing at the 1. So I would go 0, 5. So it would be 9:05. Not 9:05. It would be 05 because you haven't reached a set of 10 yet. Then on number 3, I look at the hour hand. It's between the 11 and the 12. So you would say 11 because it's not at the 12 yet for the hour. Then your minute hand is on the 8. Sorry, I keep doing that. And I would count by fives to get there. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So that would say 11:40. All right, so I want you to complete this page. And then you're going to go on and complete page 519, telling the time of each of those clocks, drawing the minute hand to go along with this clock and writing the time, answering the problem at the bottom, and continuing to answer the problems on the back page. Please have your parents check this over. It's very important that you have them check all of your math work because you're learning a life skill. Telling time is a life skill. So you need to make sure you're understanding and getting it right. Okay, have a great day, guys. I'm glad that we're back to learning. Bye-bye.